Hey, I'm Mitch with Encapsulations Down Under, and I'm here to cover everything crawl-space insulation. Stay tuned. Crawl-space insulation is very important to keeping your home more energy efficient, keeping you more comfortable, and keeping your energy bills down. However, there are many different techniques when it comes to insulating a crawl space. This includes foam board, spray foam, and batt insulation. The biggest factor in differentiating between what kind of insulation to use is what kind of crawl space you have. If you have a vented crawl space, shown here, or an encapsulated crawl space. With a vented crawl space, batt insulation is installed in the floor joists themselves due to the fact we're trying to separate the house away from the cold crawl space. The crawl space is so cold due to the fact it's vented and it's letting cold air flow freely in and out. Even if the vents are closed, some air is still getting in. However, with an encapsulated crawl space, the vents are shut, not allowing air freely coming in and out. So we want to insulate actually against the outside temperatures, because now we have a conditioned crawl space, which is what an encapsulation does. So by putting foam board on the wall itself, you will have a 3-inch termite inspection gap, which many times we see ignored in the industry, and a 3-inch wick gap, because the moisture or water could be absorbed if it's laying directly on the ground, even with the closed cell insulation. Spray foaming the entire wall of the crawl space is often done. However, at Encapsulations Down Under, we do not do this. We want to have a proper termite inspection gap, and we want something that we could check behind just in case we do want to check into the foundation at a further date. This can be removed. Spray foam is much more difficult to remove. The final thing we'll talk about is insulating the rim joist. The rim joist is just above the block and above the sill plate, and it's just a cavity where the joists lay. We take a foam board insulation, install it in the joist, and then we spray foam all around it. This will further insulate your home with an encapsulation, and is a very good technique to keep your house warmer and your floors warmer. Now that we've covered everything insulation, we want to remind you we want to be your resource for everything crawl space. So if you have cold floors and you're wondering why, give us a call and see if we can help you out. Thank you and have a great day.